Hi, today I wanted to go over how to use the Sora reading app. First of all, when you navigate to Sora using the link that I provide or soraapp.com/library/NYC schools, you'll be prompted to sign in with your New York City Department of Education login. You can click here. I have my credentials saved, but if you don't, I'll put a link in the comments below to reset your name and password if you don't already know it. Once you log in, it should save your username and password. That's why I'm on an incognito window, because on my other browser, it's all saved. You'll see our Explore the New York City Department of Education homepage. Currently, we have a Black History Month display with over 440 books. You can click here to see all of those. You can also browse by subject or by other curated collections. Right now, we have Lunar New Year, Chinese language ebooks, President's Day, the American Presidency Collection, award winning books, bilingual books, new ebooks, new audiobooks, and the list goes on and on. If you want to search for a book, you can search for the book by the name of the title. If I'm searching for Concrete Rose, the prequel to The Hate You Give, you can see that there is an ebook version as well as an audiobook version, which is indicated by this headphones. Right now, there's a hold on the audiobook version for about 3 weeks. There's 4 copies and 4 people are using them and 4 people are waiting. If you wanted to place a hold and be notified, you can click place hold. You can listen to a sample. If I am unsure about it, I can click the picture or the title, and it takes me to a blurb about the book where I can read the information that would be on the inside cover or back cover of the book. Concrete Rose is the prequel to The Hate You Give. It stars Dad's story. His name's Maverick. I can see that there's 8 total copies available right now, and 23 copies total. If I was interested in reading it, I could start reading a sample or I could just click borrow. When I click borrow, it's going to automatically come up on my screen. It's important to note I'm using the web browser, but I could also use the mobile app and it would also sync. I've checked this book out before. I was actually on page 11 last time, so it's going to start where I started. I can use the arrow buttons to navigate through. I can also press the down arrow button and get some more options. I can skip ahead directly to a different chapter. I can search within the book for where they use the name Star. Oh, since this is her dad's story, I guess she hasn't been born yet. Haven't finished reading it. I can make a bookmark at several places, but it will save where I was most recently. And I can change the reading settings. I can make the font bigger or smaller. I can change the background color. I can even change the font to something different. Once I figure out what I like the best, I can press done. I can change it to one column and I can just start reading. I'm going to go back to the first chapter. Again, if I want to come back to it, just press the bookmark button. You'll see down here it indicated that I put a bookmark there. But when I open it back up, it's going to start there no matter what. If I want to see all the books I've checked out, I can look here. I own a physical copy of Concrete Rose, so I'm actually going to return this book early so that one of you can check it out. These are all the books I've currently checked out. If I am not done reading the book, I can try to renew it. I don't know if it will let me renew it yet. Oh, I don't want to return. No. Renew. You can renew the book 2 days before it's due. You can also earn badges. So you can see I've opened 78 books. I've read for a total time of 19 hours. I haven't ever been assigned a book. Teachers can automatically assign you a book. I have some goals in my different subjects that I'm reading. I haven't yet read before 7 in the morning or after 11 p.m. So I haven't gotten those. Um, but you can earn some badges as well. So that is how to navigate Sora from the New York City Department of Education. And I hope this tutorial was helpful.